Hello sweet friends and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today's video is a design team package reveal for the month of November for Scrapdiva Designs. I have been working with the dies for a little bit, so I have a few samples to show you, and I have more projects to share with the dies later on this month. If you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorial. If this is something you enjoy, won't you please consider subscribing? I'd love to have you come back. For all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So I will have links to all these dies in the description box below. They are affiliate links, and I appreciate anyone who purchases these dies from Scrapdiva Designs. So let's get started. So we have 3 sizes in the Elve Bow die. So we have the large, the medium, and the small. And I have several. I'll leave what one I'm using up front here. So here is the large bow made up. Isn't that cute? And I think this is a large one too. And I put little pom-poms to hold the little bows up so that you could see the little elf design on this bow. So cute, right? Let's see if it's focusing. So I did use some sparkly cardstock and then some plain green. So these 2 pieces go on the top of your bow, and these pieces go on the points of your bow. So that's the large elf bow. Then we have the medium, and I'll show you these. So you get 3 sizes. So the large, I'll measure it for you. The large comes out when it's made to be 3 inches. The medium comes out to be like, it looks like 2 5/8. And isn't that cute? That's this one. This is the medium one. So again, these 2 pieces go in the middle of your bow, and these pieces go on the points of your bow, and then you can wrap this around. So here's the medium. And these pom-poms came from Dollar Tree. And then last but not least, we have the small bow. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. And this is the small one. And we'll give you the size of this. This comes out to be 1 7/8. Really cute. It's a cute tiny bow. Okay, next we have a bunch of words. This one is called, well, we have 1, 2, and 3. All right, we have Christmas words 1. This one has angel, tinsel, jolly, carols, mistletoe, and Rudolph on it. That's Christmas number 1. Christmas words number 1. Christmas words number 2 has, this one says chimney, holly, traditions, chestnuts, bells, sleigh, or sleigh bells. So you could use bells separately or sleigh separately, but it is together, sleigh bells, and hot cocoa. These are nice words to have in your collection so that you have whatever you need with whatever project you're working on. This one is peppermint, December, cards, Santa, and Claus over here. So Santa, Claus, and candles and candy. And I did use some of these in a project you'll see pretty soon. Okay, next we have the Mr. Nutcracker Cake. And I do have some samples of this for you. I see I have some glitter on him. Isn't that cute? I made this as an ornament for my tree because I'm adding another tree this year. So I wanted to put some of my tags on the tree. So I made this for my tree. And then here is one that is made in traditional colors. Isn't he cute? He's really cute. And this is easy to put together. So you have the two back pieces like you see here. There are, I did mine in this one in the pink and the white. So you get those two pieces here. This is all one piece. Excuse me. This is the head. This is the face. These two, you have 1, 2, 3. These are 3 pieces in the cake part of his hat. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then the hair, the mustache, the cherry on top, his mouth. And then this piece is for his eyes and his nose and his eyebrows, as you see here. And then you start going from the bottom up to layer your cake. So once you have these pieces together, these 3 pieces, and I cut mine out on cardstock and foam, each one. And I ran this through the foam one time as well. So once you start putting these together, which is this one, and this one are the first 3, then you've got this piece for the hat, this piece on top of the hat. You have this squiggle icing right here. You do get these make little dots that you can put in the center of this squiggle. And I did do that with the gold on this one, as you can see. Then you get this piece, and you just keep layering. This piece is actually next. Then this piece, then this piece, this and this. And then this squiggle goes on top of here. So you just go up the die cut right there. And that's how you create your cake. Cute, cute die. I have another project to share with you with that. Next we have the Nutcracker. And as you can see here, I again made some ornaments that are going in my tree. And he is adorable. And I will have a tutorial on how to put him together in the next day or so. He is really adorable. And I have more projects with him as well. He's very, very cute. You get all the pieces to decorate him. And I did use every piece that is in this set to create him. I hope you like that. It's really cute. All right, next we have the Memorydex Gingerbread Shaker. And these are some of the things that I gave you sneak peeks of. And this is the Memorydex. Really cute, right? Love the little gingerbread man. And this one I made as an ornament. This is going on my tree as well. And I did put a little saying made with love down here. You do get this sugar and spice saying, which is awesome, in the die set. You can see it right here. But yeah, that's some samples for you. Comes out really cute. And that's the Memorydex Gingerbread Shaker. Next, we have the Elf mini album. And I will show you the project that I made. I made this box. This is quite big. I think the next time I show it to you, I'm going to put some gifts in here to show you how big this is, how much this holds. This actually is 5 3/4 inches long by 4¼ inches wide and 2¼ inches deep. And I will have a tutorial of this for you. Plus, I did make a mini album, so I will give you some pointers on how to put your mini album together as well, because I noticed in this release that all the mini albums have this piece for doing your mini albums, and I love that. So this is the Elf mini album. Cute die, I love it. Wait till you see the mini album. All right, this is the Slimline House add-on roof set. So last year I had made the Slimline houses in a box that lit up, if you recall. And these are the pieces to decorate your house a little bit differently. So what you have are 2 pieces for your roof. You have candy canes, you have a little gingerbread, you have snow for the windows, a tree, did I say candy canes, and a peppermint, and a little bow for your gingerbread. So I can't wait to work with this. I have some ideas for the house again, so I'm happy to work with the house again and show you how to incorporate this die into your collection. So that's the Slimline House add-on roof set. I highly recommend you get that. Next, we have the Elf Shoe mini album. This is another one I cannot wait to work with. I would have done this one after the other mini album, but I said, okay, I got to do some other projects. So this has 3 layers for the elf shoe. Plus, you get this piece again, which I will show you how to use to make your mini album. And then you get this little cuff that goes on top of the shoe. And you get bells. And you do get bells in the elf mini album. And as you can see, you can put them on the little points of the cuff on the elf outfit. So yeah, it's really, really cute. I can't wait to play with this one too. Next, we have the Gingerbread Garland. So this has a piece to make your garland. So you could do 3, 4, 5, whatever size gingerbread garland. And this is a little girl. It looks like it could be made a little boy because there's a scarf. There's hair frosting for a boy and a girl. There's a dress. There's the little ruffles for the dress and a bow. There's a bow for your boy, a little heart, and a couple faces, some buttons, some lace, and the little squigglies for their frosting. Really, really cute. So that makes a garland. Next, we have this beautiful set. I love the frames with the leaves, and this is called the Branches and Ornament Wreath set. So I will be making an ornament with this because I need some ornaments, and this little set intrigues me. So I will be making ornaments with this. Next, we have the mini bottle pocket tag. This is super cute. You get all the pieces to make your tag, layers, and then it makes a pocket. And then you get this little doily piece as well to layer on top of here. So this is going to be darling. This is great to put on a bottle of wine or a bottle of champagne when you go to a New Year's Eve party or Christmas Eve. So this is a good one to have in your collection because a bottle of wine is a great hostess gift. Next, we have this one right here. And this is the A2 card front shadow frame. So what this does is this folds into like a box so that you can create a scene in your card. I can't wait to play with this one as well. I love 3D projects, so this one is intriguing to me. All right, and last but not least, we have this die, and there are several pieces in this as well as inside. I can feel it. I'm not going to open it, but it's really, really, really thick. There's dies on both sides, and I think there might be some in the middle. So this is a 3D mini claw machine, and it comes with lots of pieces to decorate it. Here's your claw, and you have the word winner and this word that says candy. And the reason why you get candy is a lot of places where you take kids, they have these machines, and they will have candy in this claw machine. So I will have a project for you, probably a tutorial for this as well, when I get to this die set. Really cute. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this Scrapdiva Designs November release with some sneak peek projects. I have a lot coming up this month, so please stay tuned. And remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until next time, happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.